Presenting Boat Rockers 330 neckband. It is available in active black, blazing yellow, navy blue, ocean blue, raging red and teal green color variants. This wireless Boat Rockers 330 neckband is ergonomically designed, which dons magnetic earbuds. It comes with alloy metal control board with silicone finish. It is IPX5 marked for water resistance. This product comes with 10 mm dynamic drivers that pump out your favorite tunes with immersive sound. This product is compatible with Presenting Boat Rockers 255 Pro Plus in-ear headphone that delivers an immersive audio experience on the go. This wireless headphone comes with an inbuilt mic with Qualcomm CVC for a superior hands-free calling experience. It comes with a 300 mAh battery that provides playback time of up to 40 hours. Its ASAP fast charging technology gives you a full charge in just 1 hour and a 10-hour playback time in just 10 minutes charge. Rockers 255 Pro Plus neckband headphone has been ergonomically designed for a comfortable fit. The magnetic earbuds makes it easy to store and carry when not in use. It is IPX7 rated to offer protection against sweat and water scares. This boat headphone comes with 10 mm drivers that deliver